Top 5 Best Commercial Blender. Hey everyone, James here. Looking for the best option before you buy? In this video, we're counting down the top products available right now. We've compared features, performance, value, and customer feedback to help you find the right choice. Links to all products are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Ninja BN701 Professional Blender, 1000W, 72 ounces, black. If you want the easiest way to make truly smooth smoothies or crush through frozen fruit and ice without leftover chunks, this might be the upgrade you have been waiting for. This option gives you 1,400 watts of real power, so it slices through frozen bananas, hard fruit, and ice way faster than an old 1,000-watt blender, and the redesigned total crushing blades do a genuinely better job at getting that restaurant-style texture. 3 smart programs handle smoothies, frozen drinks, and icy dessert for you, so you do not have to guess on speed or timing, which is perfect for busy mornings or when you just want better results with less effort. It comes with a large 72-ounce pitcher, great for family-sized portions, and the pitcher and blades are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is not a chore. The only things to keep in mind are that this is heavier, takes up more counter space, and will use a bit more electricity, but for serious frozen drink lovers, it is a solid step up. Number 4. CRANDDI K96 Professional Blender. If you regularly struggle with icy smoothies or need to prep large meals for your family, this is seriously worth a look. It crushes ice and handles frozen fruit like a dream, thanks to that strong motor spinning at 24,000 revolutions per minute. You also get that big 80-ounce pitcher, which is perfect for making huge batches of soup or smoothie prep, so everyone gets enough without running it 3 times. 9 variable speeds and a pulse give you real control over texture, whether you want silky smoothies or chunkier soups. The build feels commercial grade, which is great if you're a home bartender or meal prepping for a crowd. Just keep in mind it's hungry for power, so make sure your circuit can handle it, and maybe warn your housemates when you're blending. For large batches and tough ingredients, this option is a real workhorse that makes the effort totally worth it. Number 3. WantJoin Professional Blender Model 200D. If you need a blender that actually crushes ice and handles frozen fruit without choking, this is worth a closer look. It is built for home cooks and small cafes who want restaurant-level power on demand. With 1,800 watts and a serious motor, it pulverizes ice, tough greens, and frozen mixes in seconds at 38,000 revolutions per minute, so your smoothies stay silky, not sandy. The 70-ounce pitcher means you can batch drinks or soups for a crowd without constantly refilling, a huge time saver during busy service. Self-cleaning is simple, just add water and soap, and the overload protection gives you peace of mind during long runs. Yes, it is big and loud, and maybe overkill if you just blend the occasional protein shake. But if you are serious about speed, large batches, and durability, this unit is a workhorse you can rely on. Number 2. WantJoin Pro Commercial Blender. If you need a blender that can handle ice, frozen fruit, and nut butter without turning your kitchen into a construction site, this is worth looking at. It is built for busy cafes and serious home cooks who want restaurant-level power without waking the whole neighborhood. Thanks to a soundproof shield enclosure, the motor stays remarkably quiet, so it actually works in customer-facing spaces where noise matters. You get a very powerful 2,200-watt motor spinning at 38,000 RPM, which means smoothies, thick shakes, and even crushed ice come out smooth with 0 chunky bits. The self-cleaning function and overheat protection make it easy and safe to use daily. The only things to keep in mind are the heavier build and the large 80-ounce pitcher, which is fantastic for high volume, but may be overkill for small households. If that fits your routine, this option is a solid upgrade. Number 1. Cleanblend Pro 500 Blendmaster. If you need a workhorse blender for serious, large batch prep, this is worth a close look. It basically replaces your old countertop blender, food processor, and maybe even a small juicer, thanks to its seriously powerful motor. We are talking 1,800 watts and 3 horsepower, so crushing ice, pulverizing frozen fruit, and running dough all day is totally doable. The 64-ounce stainless steel jar and blades are built tough, with a food-safe design that should hold up over years in a busy kitchen. Variable speed control lets you dial in the exact texture you want. Yes, this option is heavy, loud, and definitely overkill for a casual household. But if you run a cafe or you just need an all-in-one beast for large batches, this one stands out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links and current pricing. We'll see you in the next one.